Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make chili pickle at your home. That is achar, mirch ka achar. So this is my homegrown chilies, guys. I harvested a lot of chilies from my garden and I thought I can make this recipe and I can store this one even for 1 year. Last year I did the same thing. So I want to share this recipe with you guys. So here is the mirch, that is the chili, and take a pan. So when the pan is little bit hot, you have to add little bit of oil. So I'm going to add little bit of oil, not too much, little bit, and I'm going to roast all the ingredients, that is the coriander seeds, the cumin seeds. I will show you guys. The first thing I'm going to add is the coriander seeds. So you can add the 5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, that is dhania, and I'm going to add the cumin seeds. I'm adding some cumin seeds. So 2 to 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds, then mustard seeds, some mustard seeds, and I'm going to add some somph, fennel seeds. So it gives a nice taste in the pickle, guys. And you have to fry all these things. And I'm going to add the fenugreek seed, that is methi. So I'm adding some methi, the fenugreek seeds, and you have to mix all these things together. You have to roast these things. Hey guys, so my masala is ready, and what I'm going to do, when it becomes cool down, I'm going to grind it in the blender as a coarse powder, not very smooth. So I'm going to grind it in the blender, guys, and in the meanwhile here I chopped the chilies in the lengthwise, so that we have to stuff the masalas inside the chili. So can you see, guys? So you have to chop the lengthwise. So I will show you. So I'm going to show you guys how to cut this chili in the lengthwise. So you have to cut it in the middle. How to cut the chilies in the lengthwise. So you have to cut like this, so that we can stuff the masalas inside the chili. So yeah, so I'm going to cut more. And here is my chili is ready, and I'm going to grind that one as a smooth powder, as a coarse powder. So my masala powder is ready, guys. So I didn't grind it as a very smooth powder, as a coarse powder, and it's time to add the salt, that is up to your taste, how much salt you want, but adding more salt is good for the pickle. So I added the salt, and it's time to add the turmeric powder. So it's time to add the haldi, that is the turmeric powder, and I'm going to add the mustard oil. So when the pan is hot, guys, you have to add the mustard oil. So for this recipe, the mustard oil is the best. So I'm going to add the mustard oil and the ordinary oil, so the vegetable oil or the canola oil. So when it's become hot, you have to add that oil into these masalas. And I'm going to add the asafoetida, guys, the ink powder, into this oil. It gives the nice smell and taste. and my oil is hot, guys, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this oil into these masalas. So can you hear the sound? So it should be like this. And I'm going to mix this one. And I'm going to stuff this one in the chilies. Hey guys, I'm stuffing the masala inside the chilies. Can you see? And so it should be in this consistency, guys. So I will show you how to stuff. So I'm going to stuff this one, guys, like this in the middle. So this is very easy, and homemade pickle is always healthy. Hey guys, I put it in the glass jar. So I washed this one and I keep it in the sun for 3 to 4 hours so that there should not be any water. Otherwise the chili will not be, we can't store the chilies for more than a month. So yeah, so I cleaned everything, and so I put the chili inside, and I'm going to cover this one with the lid, and I'm going to keep it in the sun for at least 3 to 5 days or even for 1 week. So yeah, so this is the quick video of how to make chili pickle, that is chili mirch ka achar at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button, and thanks for watching, guys. See you soon in my another cooking video. Bye.